Hello, crafty friends. Yana Smakula here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am super excited to introduce you to my new collection, Everyday City Holiday. If you remember, in August of last year, I released a City Holiday collection. It was a Christmas collection, and one of the products in that collection was a cool City Holiday die set, which was inspired by the apartment building where I currently live. And I received so much amazing feedback from you guys. You loved that die set. And you also suggested I add a couple of things. So I listened to all of your feedback. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts and sharing your input. And I reached out to Spellbinders. I said, hey, my followers would love to have these and these and these additions to the City Holiday. Can we make that happen? And Spellbinders said, absolutely. So here we are with part 1 of additions to the City Holiday die set. If you hear some noise in the background, that's my kitties and their zoomies. So the City Holiday die set, it's a 1 die set, like I said, released in August of last year. You might already have it. If you don't yet have it, you will need to purchase the City Holiday die set to be able to create those adorable buildings. The City Holiday was originally a Christmas set, but with little tweaks, little additions, little add-ons, you can make it into every day. And this is what this collection is all about. It's all about making the City Holiday into an everyday die set that you can use for all occasion cards. So this collection includes just 3 products. We have 2 die sets to die cut additional little pieces to dress your buildings up. And there's also a set of sentiments, and these are meant to fit inside the window, the largest window in the City Holiday. And you can make it into like a store window, a shop window, a gallery window, and have your little message inside that window. The sentiments, those are BetterPress sentiments, they also come with a coordinating die, so you can cut those out and, of course, pop them onto your card anywhere else. On the left here, I have the original City Holiday die set. You can see that this is a larger size set, and this will give you a City Holiday die. It's this one. It is sized just a little bit smaller than an A2 card, so it is designed to fit on A2, although personally I love to use this either on larger size cards like 5x7 or turn this into a shaped card of this size, and you'll see that in just a second. So this measures 1, 2, 3, a little bit more than 3.5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a little bit more than 5 inches tall. So a little bit more than 3.5 by 5 inches tall. And you have windows. Originally we had a arched shape window because those are the windows that I have in my apartment. You have the door, you have the large gallery window that goes here on the first floor, and then you also have little pieces to decorate the house. So there are a couple of curtain options. You have a little slope, like a snow slope that you can place behind the City Holiday. You have a little bit of snow that you can pop onto the roof of your house. This die will cut the roof. You also have a cat and a dog, a Christmas tree, a wreath, and also some other decorative elements to dress up your City Holiday. I do have another video looking at this die set where I share a whole bunch of cards with the City Holiday die set. I don't have the actual cards to show you in this video. I'll pop some photos here on the screen because first of all, I give my cards away, and also I demoed this collection at the Doeding store in the Netherlands, and I left all of my cards there for them to display in their beautiful store. So you can check that video out. You can also see my other my card examples. But as you guys can see, we have the arch-shaped windows, and many of you asked that we introduce a rectangular window to this collection because you wanted to create rectangular windows. So here we have the rectangular windows, and we're also giving you 2 window dies. Why are we giving you 2 window dies? Well, when you start die cutting little bits and pieces for the City Holiday, you'll realize that you need to do a whole lot of die cutting. We have 6 windows here, and that means you need to die cut 6 window die cut, or create 6 window die cuts. So having 2 dies speeds this process up significantly. So let me show you the different window. Okay, so here I have the rectangular window on these two cards. Here I have these windows with a rectangular awning. Here I have just the window and just the curtain. So you can see how these look. And here's a card with the arched windows again, so you have some comparison. Because we have the rectangular window, we now have different curtain options for those rectangular windows as we do for the arched shape windows. So there are 3 curtain options for the arched shape windows and 3 curtain options. So 1, 2, and 3 for the rectangular windows. So you have options. You also have the little awnings that you can add on top of your windows. If you have the original set and you want to add the arch-shaped awnings, you can do that. Here I have them die cut from different shades of yellow. And then, of course, because we're now introducing the new rectangular windows, we have the rectangular awnings that you can die cut for these as well. Also, we have one large awning that you can place over the gallery window on the first floor. So that's pretty cool. We also added some flower boxes. I couldn't resist adding some cool flower boxes in front of those windows with different floral options, like flower options. So we included that for you as well. So these 2 dies, these will die cut the flower boxes for you. Here I have them cut, for example, from black cardstock, and this die, along with this one, there is this piece. So that one will create the flower box for the largest window. So it not only cuts, it also adds some little details, and you'll be able to see those on my close-up photos. So really, really cool. Again, you have different size flower boxes for the different size windows. You also have different types of grass. For that window, we have the different grass pieces here and even some flower options as well. So you can make those flower boxes into beautiful spring or summer or maybe even fall flower boxes for your cards. Now let's go ahead and look at these sentiments. We have this little sentiment set. I haven't yet foiled all of them. I'm still working through these. In fact, I just received these products the other day and I was so excited. I jumped right into creating, and these are the cards that I made yesterday. Absolutely love them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sentiment options. Home is where the story begins. You can see this sentiment, along with all the other sentiments, they fit inside this window. In the original collection, we only had one sentiment that fit inside the window, and I loved it. I loved that idea. I loved being able to add a little sentiment to this window, so I made sure that all the new sentiments fit inside the window. Of course, you can use them in other ways. They don't have to go inside this window, but if you wanted to, we're giving you that option. You can put them inside the window. Next, we have home is where the heart is. Love this. I foiled this one in white. It looks stunning. And of course, I have a little cat here because you do have the cat and the dog in the original die set, and you can add them to your little cards. Then we have a happy hello from my house to yours, again with a cat. This one now looks like one of my cats, one of my orange cats. And of course, we have other sentiments. I will pop an image on the screen for you so you can take a look. By the way, there are assembly guides available on the Spellbinders website, so you can download them and print them and save them with your dies, and that will tell you exactly how each of these little pieces needs to be assembled. So that's very easy and handy and convenient. So that's a look at my Everyday City Holiday Collection with Spellbinders, now available. You can find links to these products in the video description below. Also, be sure to hop onto my blog where I have photos of these projects and additional details. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this little introduction. As always, I appreciate you guys. I love it when you leave your feedback and comments, and I absolutely love it when you share your projects created with my products online and tag me so I can see them and enjoy them and adore them and get inspired even more. Love you all. See you next time. Bye.